In this table, we have a column with dates. The first row in this table is to find the sum of the population of all countries for the dates before April 1st, 2017. So if we use the SUMIF function equals SUMIF, the first parameter is the criterion range, and the range tested is the date range. So we choose A2 to A15. We make this an absolute reference. The second parameter is the criterion, which is the dates before April 1st, 2017. So to do this, we type in open quotation, less than, and we put 2017/04/01, close the quotation. The third parameter is the sum range, the range that needs to be summed, and that's the population. So that's C2 to C15 in this case. Close the parenthesis. We got 26,639,000. Let's do a test. Everything before April 1st, 2017. This is sorted. So April 1st, we've got the same answer. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.